Hey, my creators, if you want to create print on demand, otherwise known as POD, designs, but you keep getting stuck on what to make, this is going to help you. I'm going to show you how to use my ready to go templates to create beautiful POD designs faster without starting from a blank screen. These POD templates give you a simple starting point, and then you can change the colors, add your own style, move things around, and make each POD design feel unique. So if POD feels overwhelming, this is a much easier way to get started. Let's start by making a POD t-shirt design. Are you ready? Let's go.
Keep it real, simple, and easy to follow. No fluff, just real stuff. That's the motto. Take your time, step by step. Let it flow. You already got it in you, now you know. Are you ready? Let's go, let's go.
All right, my creators. So we're going to take one of these beautiful images that I created. We are going to choose this one. Page 116. I'm going to click on the three dots and I am just going to duplicate this. All right, so now that I've duplicated it, I'm going to open up that page, okay? And I duplicated it so that I could keep my original design intact, all right? And I have the background is gray just so that you can see that the image is transparent, okay? So I'm going to make this image a little smaller by grabbing the edges and moving it inward. And then I'm going to go over to Canva and, I'm sorry, not to Canva, I'm already in Canva. I'm going to go over to the Elements tab, scroll up here. Let's go to Elements and I already have gold / typed in, so I'm going to leave it there. And we're going to choose this one. This is one of my favorite elements in Canva. And by the way, this is a pro element, so you have to have Canva Pro in order to use that. I'm going to duplicate it again. And let's see, let's duplicate it one more time. And this one, I'm going to flip around to give it a little balance. Flip it vertically and turn it some. Here's the little wheel. Okay, I'm going to turn it. All right, so now, it jumped over to the other page. So now I'm going to just move it down a little. All right, perfect. So now I'm going to go over on the left-hand side. I'm going to click on apps. And one of the apps that I use quite often is the Type Studio. And it gives you kind of like a, what do they call it? Well, like a graffiti effect. And it also gives you sort of a, bootleg t-shirt kind of effect, okay? And one of my favorite ones is this template right here. So I'm going to click on this one, and when I click on it, I am able to type in here what I want. And I think I'm going to type in quiet. First of all, let me delete these. Quiet luxury. All right, so I like the color as it is. If I wanted to change anything, I could go down to the decoration effect and change the decoration of the letters. I don't want that though. I just want to leave it as it is. The shade you can see is black. I think I want to leave it as black. That's the outline there. I don't want a texture on it. And the gradient colors, I think I'm pretty satisfied. I like these colors. So I'm going to leave that as it is. I'm just going to add it to the design. So once we add it to the design, did it add it? Yes. Okay. So it added it to the design. I like that. But I think we can actually, I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to put it on one line. So we're going to update the element. And now it's going to update it on Canva, on the workspace. And I'm going to make it larger. I'm going to do it just like that. So there you have it. Now you have a design. And let me remove the gray background. And now you can see your design. So this is a design that you can actually put onto a t-shirt or a mug or whatever product that you are selling, but you've got your design. If you wanted to add other elements in here, you could. If you've been with me for a while, you know that I love my gold elements. So I could type in here gold glitter. And I could, if I wanted to put some glitter on here, I could. Like, let's say I wanted to do that. I like that. I think it's pretty. I'm going to widen it up some. And I'm going to duplicate her. Okay, if you've been with me for a while, you know how to do this now, but if you have not, I'm going to show you. So I wanted to cover her hair, but not really her face. So I'm clicking on her and I'm going to click the plus sign to duplicate it. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to try to line these up. Okay, they're lined up. I'm going to just kind of, if you can see from the top, I'm just cropping this down some, cropping it down. That way I just have some parts of her with the gold glitter on her face. And actually in this case, we may not have had to do that because, yeah, let me delete that. We don't even have to do that because as long as we keep this pretty small, we could keep this from covering her face. So let me duplicate this again. I'm going to put it over here and I am going to turn it somewhat. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So this is very pretty. I want to pull it up some. There we go. So it's like she has a gold glitter afro, which I love. Make this smaller. Fit this in the fro. Now I do see a reason to duplicate her. Let me duplicate her because I want the earrings to pop out. All right, so let me line this up. Let me do this. Okay, do that. Okay, yeah, I want the earrings to pop out. So we can stretch this out some. But I don't want the line to be visible where I cropped it. So we'll crop it down a little more towards the bottom. Okay, let me duplicate this. Pull it down some, and then we're going to right click on this, choose layer, and we're going to send this to the back. Actually, not the back. Let me undo this. Undo. Let's go to the position tab and let's click on layers. And let's see which one this is. Okay, if I click on it, if I click on this one, click on this one. Okay, that's this one. So I want to put this behind. Sometimes it may come out a little funny when you're layering things because see how it looks so square right there where it cuts off. So we might not be able to do that one. I think I'm just going to delete that. And let me delete that. So we just have one layer of her. We didn't duplicate it. I deleted the duplicate. All right, so let me move this over, make this a little larger. Perfect. Let me duplicate this again, and I can put this over here. And now maybe I want to put this on top. So on the layers tab, I'm dragging that over. Maybe, should it be behind the gold glitter? Yeah, we'll leave it like that. Okay. Very pretty, guys. Very, very pretty. I love that. We can do that. I'm going to crop this inward some. There we go. Perfect. Okay, let's make this one a little bigger. Trying to get it off of her face somewhat. Okay, there we go. So we have this beautiful image, and so you could use this to put it on a t-shirt or a mug, or like I said, whatever print on demand product that you are using. But the beauty of this is that this was basically created for you. So you've got the images, you've got over 300 and some images, I believe, and all you have to. So my creators, don't you think that was easy, right? Pretty easy. I tried to make it as simple as possible for you. I think you will find this system so very easily. And I think that our design turned out pretty nicely. Let me know in the comments what you think about this design. But also, I want you to check out the system because, you know, I love doing this. You guys know how Canva is my passion. Like, I just do it for fun because I just have such a good time doing it. So this product is going to grow. So if you get the product now, you already have 350 plus designs, or not designs, but clip art there for you to work from. And you just add your own elements, make your own designs. You can make them beautiful. And that's what I love about this. Everybody can start from an image, but you can make it your own. You can make it unique. Nobody else can have your design, right? And so if you get in now, when this product expands, because it is going to expand, it's probably going to be close to 500 pieces in this product. But as it increases in size, the price is going to go up as well. But if you get it now, you already have the link. So whatever I add to it will already be there for you. So that's the benefit of grabbing it now. I really want to help you, and I wanted to make sure that you had a product that was quality work and also a product that is easy to work with. All right, my beautiful creators, thank you for being here with me today. I hope you got something from this video. As always, links are in the description. Please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And remember, the more we create, the less we hate. And I will see you in the next video.